And also from Zimbabwe, we have Winky D on this same rhythm here. Yeah. The fire never stop. It's good to be conscious. Reggae music represent the map. Wow, wow, wow.
So this rhythm was produced by Dynamic and it's coming very soon. It features all up artists including Winky D from Zimbabwe and the other artists like busysignal and a lot of them artists. So I want you guys to listen and tell me what you think about the sound.
Reggae music play in every country. Dance all a bounce in every party. Reggae music play in every country. Well easy. Set them for no need. Remember what you did first, you know, John Star, the 10th president in every country. Produced by the one Dynamic. Boom, boom, bang. Ate. Reggae music play in every country. We also have Winky D on the same rhythm here. Ate. Dance all a bounce in every party. Reggae music play in every country. In every country. Yeah. Set them for no knees. Dance all pull up in every party. Yeah. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of the drum and the bass and the treble up in the mix. Music with the vibes, the positive message. Say anywhere you go in the world, reggae spread love in the cities. We have the best time when the music is around. We, the people skanking with the greatest of energy. Yes, one thing I like about reggae music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. The message is in the music and the music is in the message. Big tune. Reggae music play in every country. In every country. Them know this. Dance all a bounce in every party. Them know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country. Yeah. Set them fi know this. Dance all pull up in every party. Yeah. A little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of the drum and the bass and the treble up in the mix. Music with the vibes, the positive message. Say anywhere you go in the world, reggae spread love in the cities. We have the best time when the music is around. We, the people skanking with the greatest of energy. Yes, this was meant to be, even from the Almighty. Reggae music with some sweet melody. Them should know this. Reggae music play in every country. In every country. Yes, but them know this. Ain't no some reggae music playing in every country. Ate, ate. Them know this. Reggae music play in every country. Elijah, but something about Jim Dynamic. Mad. Zimbabwe have to know someone. We have Winky D, but the same rhythm here. I mean, I'm going to introduce it, I think, in the next 2 weeks. Of course, if I talk to Dynamic, you know, nicely, and yeah, you know. Brand new rhythm, mad.
Aiwa, soon takatumirira. Let's wait for it so patiently. And also, I don't know kuti changi yakamira say since it's reggae, and we all know kuti Winky D is not really good or is not really into reggae music. So I don't know kuti changi yakamira say, but that's what I have for you guys. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.